Students, now we are going to study about two more colligative properties, that is elevation in boiling point and depression in freezing point. So let us begin with elevation in boiling point. Before knowing this, we must know what boiling point really is. So it is simply the temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. Okay, now coming to point, what elevation in boiling point means. So when a non-volatile solute is dissolved in solvent, boiling point of resulting solution increases. This increase in boiling point is known as elevation in boiling point. What elevation means? Increase. So बढ़ जाना, ऊपर की ओर जाना, तो elevation means increase. Now it is denoted by delta TB. So here you can see, if T0 is equal to boiling point of pure solvent and Ts is boiling point of solution, so elevation in boiling point is given as delta TB is equal to Ts minus T0. Why we have written Ts minus T0? Because when we are, suppose this is a solvent and its temperature is T0, pure solvent, and when we are adding solute, then it becomes a solution and the solution's temperature, that is Ts, increases. So the difference in temperatures, delta TB, is equal to Ts minus T0. Now, as we have discussed for relative lowering of vapor pressure, similarly here we can calculate the molecular weight of non-volatile solute. The molecular weight of non-volatile solute. So students, there is a relationship between elevation of boiling point and molality, or we can say that elevation in boiling point is directly proportional to molality. Molality, that is a concentration term we have studied earlier. So delta TB is equal to Kb into m. Here Kb is a constant called molar elevation constant.